Hi, my name is Serge from Truck Dispatcher Training. Today I would like to tell you about trucking insurance. What is better in this case, to have your own authority to operate or to be leased onto another company's authority? But first I want to remind you, if you don't want to miss our videos, you should subscribe to our channel and set the bell. So let's imagine that you are an owner-operator and you're running into the trucking company's authority. Now you pay several $100s a week for insurance, but you want to start your own trucking business. What costs will you face in obtaining your own operating authority? Looking ahead, I will say that the cost of insurance will differ 4 times. Are you shocked? It's simple. This is due to the fact that insurance has several components, which you as the owner-operator did not care about before. We have created this video to make it very clear to you. I'm going to give you some numbers that will help you to understand what is the difference in trucking insurance cost. As I mentioned, currently you are an owner-operator. And, for example, the company you are leased onto is deducted from you pay $500 a month or $125 a week. This payment consists of 2 components, bobtail and physical damage insurance. In this case, your truck insurance is the same as your personal car insurance. What does it mean? It means that if you are driving your truck without a trailer and you get in a car accident, then your physical damage and bobtail insurance pays for these losses. As we all understand, your $500 a month as an owner-operator is not the only payment an insurance company receives. I remind you that you are leased onto the trucking company. So I think it's clear that this company has certain insurance coverage. As already mentioned in one of our previous videos, you must have $750,000 in liability insurance to qualify for your operating authority under FMCSA rules. Besides, you should know most brokers and shippers require 1 million limits. Therefore, we will not dwell on the number 750,000 because, to be honest, you really need 1 million in order to make it more convenient for us to count. Let's take 1,200 as the measure of public liability insurance that pays the company that you are leasing onto. The next thing you should remember is the goods that you transport in your truck. This cargo must also be insured. As a rule, the amount is approximately $100,000. It follows the sum of cargo insurance is about $300 a month. As a result, we receive a monthly insurance payment in a total of $2,000. The calculations are pretty simple, aren't they? So we have $2,000. Of this amount, you currently pay $500 a month as the owner-operator, and the company you are leased onto has to pay an extra $1,500 a month. What conclusions can we make from these calculations? In a situation when you don't want to lease onto another company and decide to become an authority holder, you have to understand that there will be extra costs. You will be responsible for additional coverage such as 100,000 cargo policy and 1 million public liability policy. Your monthly payments will increase from $500 to $2,000. If you are sure that you will bear all insurance costs related to your venture, go and get your own authority. Follow the link below and get the opportunity to obtain insurance for your trucking business. We have a checklist with all the instructions about the logistic business. It will help you to run your business successfully and be sure you won't be put out of service. In the first part of the checklist, you can read how to grow your company. There is info about the BOC3, UCR, and CO authority. Next, we'll tell you which load boards are more profitable and useful, what is IFTA, and what paperwork you need. After that, we have all the information about drivers. What is IRP, which ELD is the most popular, and so on. Of course, you should know about different types of equipment and which will be more profitable. Finally, there you can find information about all types of inspections and what you will need for them. We thank you for watching this video to the end. Hopefully it is helpful, and if it is, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions. For those who missed our previous videos, we invite you to watch. And don't forget to subscribe and set the bell if you don't want to miss our videos.